Hello all. Let us discuss some of the MCQ questions from the chapter Triangle. First question. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 36 meter 3.6 meter above the ground, the length of her shadow after 4 seconds is that we want to find. So how we can do this? So let us do that question. Here consider PQ is the lamppost and XY is that girl. We can see the two similar triangles PQR and XYR. Since PQ is the lamppost, its height is 3.6 meter and XY represent that girl, her height is 90 centimeter, that is 0.9 meter. Then the girl is moving away from that lamppost, so we want to find the distance. Since speed is 1.2 meter per second, that is in 1 second 1.2 meter. So in 4 seconds, how much distance covered by that girl? 1.2 into 4, that is 4.8. That is QY is equal to 4.8. Then consider triangle XYR and PQR. Triangle PQR. Then sides ratio XY by PQ equal to YR by QR equal to XR by PR. Since we got XY as 0.9 by 3.6, PQ is the height of lamppost, so it is 3.6, which is equal to YR is taken as X. X by QR is the total distance of X and that distance from lamppost. So YQ. So X by X plus YQ. Since YQ we got it as 4.8. So X by X plus 4.8. Since 0.9 by 3.6 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to X by X plus 4.8. Then cross multiply. We will get X plus 4.8 equal to 4X. So 4.8 equal to 4X minus X, which is 3X. So X is equal to 4.8 by 3 equal to 1.6. The next one, given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, if AB equal to 1 by 3, then area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. Given triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, then we know that the ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Since AB is equal to 1 by 3, that is not AB, it is AB by PQ is equal to 1 by 3. AB by PQ is 1 by 3. Then what is the area of triangle ABC by triangle PQR? So what about the squares of these sides? So it is 1 by 9. 1 square and 3 square. So 1 by 9. Then next question. Corresponding sides of a similar triangles are in the ratio 9:5. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio. As in the previous case, the corresponding sides are of a similar triangles are given 9:5. Then what about the areas of their sides? Areas of their triangles. Areas of the triangles is square of their sides. That is 9 square is to 5 square. 9 square is 81. 81 is to 25. Then next, if triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equal to BC. If AB square is equal to 2AC square, then angle C, we want to find the measure of angle C. So consider the triangles. Two types I am showing here. It is given that AC and BC are equal. And what is given? AB square is equal to 2ac square. Since we have AC is equal to BC, so this can be written as AC square plus BC square. Since 2AC square is AC square plus AC square, since AC and BC are equal, so it can be written as AC square plus BC square. So in this figure, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So what about the angle C? Measure of angle C is 90 degree. Then fifth question. In triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, BD perpendicular to AC and AC is 9 centimeter. AD is 3 centimeter, then BD. So let us find out the answer. So consider this right triangle ABC and draw a perpendicular from B to AC. Then we can see that angle D is 90 degree. And it is given that AD is 3 centimeter and AC is 9 centimeter. Here we want to take the two triangles ABC, that is the larger one, and ADB, which is that ADB. Since the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, so AB by AD equal BC by DB equal AC by AB. So we want to take these two only, the first and last ratio. AB by AD equal to AC by AB. So AB by AD, it is given that 3. So AB by 3 equal to 9 by AB. Since AC is 9, that is given. The next step, we want to cross multiply it. That is AB into AB is equal to 9 into 3. That is AB square is equal to 9 into 3. So we can find the value of AB as square root of 9 into 3. So here root 9 is 3. So the value of AB is 3 root 3. Next one, if triangle ABC, AB equal to 9 centimeter, BC equal to 40 centimeter, AC equal to 41 centimeter. We want to check which type of triangle is ABC. Here we know the Pythagoras theorem, whether it is satisfied, it may be the right triangle. So AB square, since the triangle is like that. And here AB is 9 centimeter. And BC is 40 centimeter and AC is 41. So let us take 41 as the hypotenuse. Then what about the others? So 40 square plus 81. 81 is 9 square. So 1681. 1681 is which is that in triangle ABC, that hypotenuse. Then whether it is the square of 41, 1681, yes. So this is equal to 41. That means the given triangle is a right triangle.